I guess I really tend to forget how powerful and beautiful the internet can really be, because this is one of those orders I got through the power of the internet. This lady from South Africa had seen one of my posts on Facebook. She saw one of my Facebook reels or something. I can't remember exactly at this point, but she said she saw my post via Facebook and decided to go through my page and then placed an order. And that's really funny to me because I genuinely don't post anything on Facebook. I actually never actively go on Facebook. So the only way she could have seen any of my posts was through me sharing on Instagram and pressing also share to Facebook. So it wasn't actively marketing through Facebook. So she was around in Kenya, or still is in Kenya, I'm not really sure. And she placed an order for this chocolate cake with dark chocolate buttercream, and to be finished in a design that I've done previously, and it's one of my favorite designs. I first did it for a friend in 2021, if I'm not wrong, and she wanted the exact same thing with the exact same details, and it was a black buttercream cake. She was very specific with what she wanted. She wanted a black cake board with black buttercream, and that's usually more stressful for me because now I want the black cake board to be matching with my black buttercream. And although I'm never worried about black cream, it was really easy for me to get this right. But every time I get a new client, I'm always like in my head, because I'm wondering if they'll like it, because especially this one who's just found me through Facebook, and she's also from a different country. It's a little bit nerve-wracking, but she really liked the cake in the end. I don't know what this stencil design is called, but as I said, it's not a new design for me. It's something I've done previously. So it's just a stencil work with gold leaf and red and blush or pinkish roses, and the number topper for the birthday age. The lady really loved this cake, and immediately after she received it, she said that she actually enjoyed my professionalism and all that. I'm not tooting my own horn, I'm just repeating what she said, but yes, I can toot my own horn as well. But yeah, she really liked it and placed an order immediately for the next day, which is too short notice for me, but I still did it. So stay tuned for the next part. Bye.